Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Haslinda binti Maknasir and I'm from BA 1113B. First of all, thank you to beautiful lecturer which is Madam Azurin because give me opportunity to present about MGT300 in chapter 6 and chapter 7. First, we go to the chapter 6 which is valuing organizational information. Information can tell an organization how its current operations are performing and help it estimate and strategize about how future operations may perform. In addition, organizational information have three information. The first one is information level, which is individual, department, and enterprise. Second, information format, which is document, presentation, spreadsheet, and database. Third, information granularities, which is detail, summarize, and aggregate. Next, transactional information is encompass all the information content within a single business process or unit of work, and its primary purpose is to support the performing of daily operational tasks. For example, withdrawing cash from an ATM, making an airline reservation, and purchasing stock. While analytical information is encompasses all organization information and its primary purpose is to support the performing of managerial analysis tasks. Also include external organizational information such as market, industry, and economy. For example, trend, sale, product statistics, and future growth projection. Besides that, the value of timely information, the first one is real-time information is immediate, up-to-date information, while real-time system is provides real-time information in response to query requests. In addition, the five characteristics of high-quality information, the first one is accuracy, which is all the value correct. For example, is the name spelled correctly? Second, completeness, which is are any of value missing? For example, is the address complete including city, state, and zip code? That consistencies is aggregate or summarized information in agreement with detailed information. For example, do all total field equal the true total of the individual field? For uniqueness, is each transaction entity and even represented only once in the information? For example, are there any duplicate customer? 5. Timeliness is the information current with respect to the business requirement. For example, is information updated quickly, daily, or hourly? Next, the four primary sources of low quality information. The first one is online customer intentionally enter inaccurate information to protect their privacy. Second, information from different systems have different entry standard and format. Third, call center operator enter abbreviate or erroneous information by accident or to save time. Fourth, third-party and external information content inconsistencies and error. Now, I will move to the next slide, which is chapter 7, storing organizational information, database and data warehouse. What is database? Database means maintain information about various types of objects, events, people, and place. In addition, database model include first one is hierarchical database model, which is information is organized into a tree-like structure using parent or child relationship in such a way that it cannot have too many relationships. Second, network database model, which is a flexible way of representing objects and their relationship. And the last one is relational database model, which is store information in the form of logically related two-dimensional table. Beside that, entity and attribute. The first one is entity is a person, place, or even about which information is stored, while attribute is characteristic or property of an entity class. In addition, database will offer three security features. The first one is password, which is provide authentication of the user. Second, access level, which is determine who has access to the different types of information. And the last one is access control, which is determine types of user access, such as read only access. Next, data-driven website business advantage. The first one is development, which is time all without having a relay on a developer. A well-structured data-driven website enable updating with a little or no training. Second, content management, which is will have error trapping mechanisms to ensure that required information is filled out correctly. Third, future expandability, which is enable the site to grow faster than would be possible with a static site. Fourth, minimize human error, which is even the most competent programmer charged with the task of maintaining many pages will overlook things and make mistakes. This will lead to bugs and inconsistencies that can be time consuming and expensive to track down and fix. By cutting production and update costs, which is can update and publish by any competent data entry or administrative person. Six, more efficient, which is will improve the reliability and stability of a website while greatly reducing the chance of breaking some part of the site when adding new areas. Seven, improve stability, which is there is peace of mind knowing the content is never lost even if your programming is. Next, integration information among multiply data base. The first one is forward integration, which is take information entire into a given system and send it automatically to downstream system and process. Why? Backward integration, which is take information entire into a given system and send it automatically to all upstream system and process. Now I move to the data warehouse. In addition, extraction, transformation, and loading, or we call it ETL, is a process that extracts information from internal and external database, info that information using a common set of enterprise definition and loads the information into a data warehouse. Besides that, information cleansing or scrubbing is a process that weeds out a fix or discard inconsistent, incorrect, or incomplete information. Now we move to the last point, which is principal business intelligence enable. They have three. The first one is technology. Is even the smallest company with BI software can do sophisticated analysis today that were unavailable to the largest organization a generation ago. The largest company today can create enterprise-wide BI systems that compute and monitor metrics on virtually every variable important for managing the company. Second, people is understanding the role of people in BI allow organization to systematically create insight and turn this insight into action. Organization can improve their decision making by having the right people making the decision. The last one is culture. Is a key responsibility of executive is to shape and manage corporate culture. The extent to which the BI attitude flourishes in an organization depends in large part on the organization's culture. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your listening and stay safe.